Don't be afraid to be seen hustle by people, because people, they are not giving you any cent or a money of loaf of bread. If you saw that job is giving you money to bring food on the table, you have to work hard. Don't care about people, because people, guys, they can say what they say. Even you are doing good, you are doing bad, they can say anything in your life. So sometimes, guys, mind your own business. People, they are not going to help you. Even the kind of job we are doing nowadays, there is no need to choose jobs. If you are educated, you have to work even a kind of job, because nowadays, guys, we have got certificates, degrees, but those degrees, they are not helping you to find the kind of job you want. But if you saw, maybe you are hustling, you are selling something, those things are bring food on the table. Even people, they say you are going to school, you are educated, what the kind of job we are doing. Sometimes they have to mind their own business and to do your work, because when you mind about what people they say every time, you are not going to have money, because you have to do things that can bring food on the table. It's not about people, or people, they are judging you, or people, they say what they say. When you want to listen to people, you can die, guys, with hunger most of the time, because, guys, they don't care about people what they say. You have to hustle and feed your family.